Tell me about yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself.
Mhm.
This is because I'm from AP.
Mhm.
I have done my graduation Bachelor of Technology in Avanti Engineering College,
Mhm.
and I entered 12th completed in Jakarta Junior College, and I have also completed my 10th at Vidyavikas High School.
Mhm.
And I am present I learn testing tools in Vcube institution.
Mhm.
My goal is to achieve a good job in IT industries.
Mhm.
My long term goal is to achieve a good job in good position into where can you growth up my skill growth. And my my hobbies are listening music and watching movies.
Mhm.
My strength is I am easy to self motivate.
Okay. So, what are your hobbies? What are your
Watching
hobbies?
movies,
Whatever
watching
movie,
movies,
whatever movies you watch,
mass,
mass-oriented movies. Why? Any reason?
fighting. I understand fightings.
Okay, good. Can I have your resume? Okay. Tell me about your graduation. I think you're certified, right?
Wait,
Okay. So, tell me your graduation project.
two components in the to mix the two components.
To mix the two components.
Yes.
What are components?
The aluminum flyers.
Why? Why doing this aluminum fryers that you are
Aluminum
using?
flyers is the weightless steel, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So it is used in the
Mm-hmm.
aerospace because it is the weightless steel.
Mm-hmm.
So it is used in the
Aluminum is steel.
both the two components are mixed, sir.
Okay. What are the two
Aluminum
components?
flyers.
Aluminum fryers are you're going to mix, right?
Uh,
Why you're doing that project only? Any reason?
Bridges, constructive bridges are high level weights.
Mm-hmm.
So the components are using the material low strength,
Mm-hmm.
high strength and low weights.
Okay. Uh, what are the things that you know very well in testing tools?
STLs and STLCs.
Mm-hmm. What is the difference between STLC and SDLC?
STLC software testing life cycle, sir.
Mm-hmm.
STLC software development life cycle.
Mm-hmm.
Software testing life here STLC in here we're discussing about the different phases in involved QA team.
Mm-hmm.
Here we're discussing the QA related activities.
Mm-hmm.
In the lesser team, it deals with the lesser teams, sir.
Okay. Do you know the default life cycle? Can we draw the diagram of default life cycle? There's a pen, right? Take the diagram. Have a diagram onto it.
Done.
Anyhow, explain defect life cycle.
Defect life. First, QA will raise the defects first.
Mm-hmm.
Next, QA team and lead and manager will review and assign it to the developer with comments.
Why they are assigning it to developer?
Then defect found the defects
Why they are
Yeah.
assigning it to developer?
to change the code.
Okay.
Next, developer accepts after the developer fix and accept the defect. The close once developer give the time ETA. Developer give product the ETA. Next, and the developer fix the defects and rectify the defect. Next, after creating will reopen the application.
Why they will reopen the application?
Already developer check చేస్తాడు.
Okay.
Developer
Who will
check
reopen the
చేసి
defect?
దాన్ని defect rectify చేస్తాడు.
Who will reopen the defect?
QS
Why?
testing process.
Testing process. Why
The
defect will reopen?
So defect
Why defect will reopen?
defect reopen కాదు సార్. అప్లికేషన్ డెవలపర్ చెక్ చేసే కోడ్ ఉంటుంది సార్. అదంట QA టీమ్ అనేది మళ్ళీ రీఓపెన్ చేస్తారు. డిఫెక్ట్
Why they will reopen the defects?
ఆల్రెడీ one time defect is raised sir QA team. Developer will check the defect coding. Next, after the defect as per working as per user needs or not, so the QA team will reopen the defect.
Okay. My last question: what is the difference between a test scenario and test case?
Test scenario and verification user journeys.
Don't give the definition. I want to know the differences between them.
Different.
What is the difference between a test scenario and test case?
Test scenario is example.
No example. I want to know the differences.
Test scenario and requirement applications.
Test cases?
Test case based on the requirement, based on the scenario, we have write the test cases.
Without scenario, we
Process.
can't write test cases?
No, sir.
Sure? Okay, Vikas, that's it from my end. Do you have any questions? Tell me about yourself.
Well, so myself, Vinay. I'm from mechanical background.
Mm-hmm.
Coming to my educational background, I completed recently BTech mechanical with 65 percentage
Mm-hmm.
in St. Martin's Engineering College.
Mm-hmm.
I completed my diploma in production engineering in Central Institute of Tool Design in 2020
Okay.
year 2020
A diploma in
production engineering,
production engineering. Okay.
and my 10th class in Hyderabad Panchashila High School.
Okay. As a production engineering diploma, why you're going for mechanical engineering?
In BTech, don't know mechanical. Production not there, sir. So I went to
Mechanical. Okay. Can I have a resume? Tell me about your graduation project.
my graduation project is diploma, sir.
But where is your graduation project then?
My graduation project is incremental farming, sir.
Okay. Tell me why. What do you mean incremental farming?
Incremental farming is a making one sheet metal into designing sheet metal into different type,
Mm-hmm.
and we taken 240 2 mm sheet metal and make into square shapes.
Mm-hmm.
27 different shapes with different speeds.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Oh, speed. You're dealing with speeds.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me what are the things that you're good on testing tools?
In writing test cases and test scenarios.
Oh, very good. Writing test scenario and test cases are good on the topics.
And in defect life cycle.
Okay. You have paper pen there itself, right?
Pen not there.
Take the pen. Can you write test case on your sheet?
My set, sir.
You're overrated, right?
Yes, sir.
I did try the test cases on the sheet. On seeing the sheet, you know, try 10 test cases.
By seeing set and read, I need to write 10.
10 test cases. Don't write all step 1, step 2.
Yes, sir.
Don't write description. Just write test case names only. I need at least 10 test case names.
I write about 6, sir.
Can I have that? Pattern of the shirt stands for?
Pattern design. Design, sir. Shirt design.
Mm-hmm. Cloth of the shirt, color of the shirt, pattern, brand, size, wearing shirt. Okay, no problem. And tell me defect life cycle.
Defect life cycle which contains QA and manager and dev team.
Defect life cycle contains QA manager, dev team.
Dev, if QA is any QA found any defect,
Mm-hmm.
will assign to dev.
Mm-hmm.
Dev will open that defect.
So developer will open the defect.
Manager will open and check and assign to dev
Mhm.
member. Dev will see the defect. If it is invalid or if it is invalid, it will be rejected.
Mhm.
Or else it will be on hold. Or else
On hold means
on hold means we will do it later.
okay. On hold we'll call it as
Which is on hold?
on hold stands for. Do you have status like on hold in defect life cycle?
No, sir.
Then on hold stands for
Which will be done in another sprint, or it is
called as. Why developer will reject the defect?
if another QA member also raised that the same defect,
Mhm.
it will be rejected.
Hmm.
Or else if dev member has no time in the sprint,
Then all rejected.
then it will be on hold. Next passes into next sprint.
Okay. So why QA member will reopen the defect?
To check the defect.
Why QA member will reopen the defect?
If dev team has checked the defect
Mhm.
raised by QA member and given to after defect completed,
Mhm.
give to QA member.
Mhm.
QA will reopen the defect
Why?
to check the open defect is closed or not.
That is closed, right?
Yes.
Then why he'll reopen it?
It will check, sir, and it will completed or not, the defect is fixed or not.
Okay, it's not fixed. Then what will happen?
Assign to dev
Why?
to fix the defect.
Okay. Then status will be
Reopen.
okay.
Taken risks.
My last question is you written AutoCAD, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the full form of CAD?
Computer aided designing.
Computer
Aided designing.
Okay. What is the agenda of going for AutoCAD?
To make the 2D model into 3D model.
Do you have other tools?
I don't know, sir. I only learn about CAD.
I would agree. We have other tools apart from AutoCAD.
In CATIA also we can do, sir, but it's hard.
Using CAD, can we do 3D into 2D?
3D into 2D? No, sir. We can remove lines, but no.
For sure.
3D into 2D. Yes, sir. We can see one side.
Okay. So that's it from me. And Vinay, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Yeah, you can leave, not an issue. So I think can I have your exam written papers?